Hey Deb, your order came in.
Yeah?
Yeah, you've been looking for something to reduce the use of plastic.
Yes.
And you remember you ordered the, I don't really know how you say it, Etee?
Yep.
The Etee?
That's what you want to call it? That's
Okay,
it.
so the Etee is wraps, and what were they made of?
Lots of plant-based material, and I think beeswax is in there a little bit too. And ETEE stands for Everything Touches Everything Else.
That's cool.
Yes,
so,
it is.
We're going to have to activate them.
Okay, how do you do that?
I don't know. We got to read on the website.
Okay.
Because this is not going to work.
Okay.
So we'll have to activate them and come back later.
Yeah, I think that you rubbing them around in your hands and getting them warm. It does help activate them.
I think so too, because it's just wax.
Yes, it is. But these can be washed. They can be reused over and over again. They sent me 3 different sizes for only $18, and if I like them, I'm going to get more. I'm going to continue to seek out things to replace everyday use of single-use plastic.
All right.
All right.